Hey everyone, it's Mary with Cajun DIY Diva, and we are in College Station, Texas at the Hyatt house. We did a quick little trip to visit some friends in College Station, and we stayed here, and we enjoyed our stay at this hotel. Everything was very clean except for a little bit of candy and some crumbs in the couch, which they came and cleaned, so that was nice. Here you have a small sink base. Wish they had a little bit bigger counter, but stand-up shower with the toiletries on the wall like that, so no little individuals. You did get an individual thing right there. Soap, body lotion, makeup remover. Sorry for my finger. There's a full-length mirror, which is nice to have in a room. A mini kitchenette with coffee maker. They actually had a wine opener, which is a nice touch, and wine glasses, and real coffee mugs and glasses with a little bit of coffee and tea bags and those things. With a good size refrigerator. And here's the closet that had extra pillow and blanket and sheets, and it had the standard, every hotel has a ironing board and iron. Oh, sorry for my finger again. So there were no USB ports in this hotel, but the lamp had an outlet for plugging in devices, and there was also outlets on the other side of the bed. They have some interesting little things in lieu of the traditional Bible that were in the drawer, but nice big drawers for storage. The tomatoes are funny because these are Creole tomatoes from Louisiana, which we brought to our friends in Texas. A special treat for them. There's a lamp with outlets in it. And there was a little sofa. It is not a sofa bed. There were 3 outlets close to this side of the bed, so plenty of room to plug in all your devices, and a lot of lighting. There was a lamp there, and lamps on the desk and lamps on the other side of the bed. I was picking it up to look and see if it was a sofa bed, but this was actually not a sofa bed, but it was a comfy little spot to sit there with your laptop or watch TV. And this is the view of a shopping center that had lots of stores in its walking distance. So this was my tour of this Hyatt house. We were in room 421. It was a very nice room. I was very happy with this hotel stay, comfortable bed. If you like these videos, please click like, subscribe, and share this video, and let friends know that I have tons of hotel room videos, and you can buy me a coffee, which will help support my channel for future travels, future hotel room tours. And I appreciate all the help I can get to continue making these videos. So this is Mary, Cajun DIY Diva, and thanks for watching.